my name is Shiza. I am studying first standard A section. My school name is Chitlanja Montessori School. My activity name is Geometrical Solid. Cylinder, cone, rectangular, square, pyramid, rectangular prism, sphere, ellipsoid, cube, rectangular pyramid, triangular prism. Thank you.